Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve cube root 27 power 6 plus 9 power 15 by 27 power 8 plus 9 power 6 is equals to what? So let's simplify, and before starting this video I want to say if you have any doubt query you can comment down the question and I will try to solve it as soon as possible. So let's start with the today's video. So cube root 27, we know that it is a cube of 3. So 3 cube whole power 6 plus similarly 9 as 3 square whole power 15 by 3 cube whole power 8 and 3 square whole power 6. Now, according to exponent rule, a power m power n, we can write it as a power mn or a power n power m. So here, cube root of 3, so it becomes 3 power 18 plus 3 power 30 by 3 power 24 plus 3 power 12. Now, cube root of 3 is equals to 3 power 18 plus 3 power 30. We can write in terms of the smallest power 18 here. So it becomes 18 plus 12 and 3 power 24 in terms of 12. 3 power 12 plus 12 plus 3 power 12. According to exponent rule, x power m plus n, we can write it as x power m times x power n. So cube root of 3 power 18 plus 3 power 18 times 3 power 12 by 3 power 12 times 3 power 12 plus 3 power 12. So from numerator, I can take 3 power 18 as common. So 1 plus 3 power 12. And if I'll take 3 power 12 as common from denominator, so 3 power 12 plus 1. So we can cancel out this from numerator denominator. So cube root of 3 power 18 by 3 power 12. According to exponent rule, x power m by x power n, we can write it as x power m minus n. So cube root of 3 power 18 minus 12. So cube root of 3 power 6. So according to exponent rule, n power a, we can write it as a power 1 by n. So 3 power 6 times 1 by 3. We can cancel out, it gives 2, which is 3 square, that is 9. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.